People, wonder shall never end. This video that you guys is about to watch, this update, so you go choke on her and tears go fall for on her eye. I know say most of una know this man, Not Mathias Ezeaku, the founder of Ezeaku, the general overseer. Not be small something, it don't come out again. And this video when he show us na touching video, not be small something. How can a woman go give birth? Pikin of 6 months go be like 1 month baby, newborn baby. As I cross this video, I watch Octolize. I say, what is going on? Wetin come dey sup? Una know say pikin of 6 months, say that pikin don dey sit down, e don dey even dey crawl. E don dey crawl, dey scatter everywhere. If una see these children, and e remain small, make dem delete o. No be small something. May you no come be say I too talk. Make una just watch this video of Mathias Ezeaku Ejofo.
Nigerians are doing 100 days fasting instead of 100 days protest. Be you a native doctor, be you a Christian, be you a Muslim. Once you apply the law that have been set in London, that if you do this and do that, you could be able to own a house, then you own it. But here you need 100 days fasting in order to own a house in Nigeria. Something is wrong with you. You are abnormal. At least I spoke with a priest today. Priest of the scam criminal religion brought to us by the Italians. He was shedding tears. He even promised me that very soon he would do a video and pull off his clothes and join Omen on Abuze. Because what we need, what controls Europe is fact and figure. If you commit any crime today in Europe, when they if they ask you the reason why you committed such crime, and you begin to tell them that it is caused by Satan, they don't know what they are saying. They will ask you to bring an evidence of the Satan. What controls every nation today that are prospering, waxing strong, is fact and figure. So we need a fact and figure from the story of Jesus Christ. Oh, you think if you come back from America, you carry police, they never remember you. Once they remember you, they remember the other scam in Nauch. All the security agencies were shot. What protected him was a bulletproof car. Do you have money to buy a bulletproof car from America? All of us got to suffer. Me and you. Because we didn't take our government serious. We took a cultic kingdom called churches and Christianity more serious than government, than man in Africa. Black people don't value human being. Once you did not value your human being, your government, you cannot value a human being in your society. Because the government we are talking about is man. Those you appointed to go there and represent you. So how can Tinubu think on your behalf? The reason why you need Jesus in your life is why you want to be better than me. It's impossible. The only thing now you are bragging, the only reason why you are crying to Jesus to bless you is because you want to be better than Ezeaku. So that Jesus will come in your own family, beautify your own family, and allow others to be a dustbin packer, and allow 8,000 Nigerians to be in Dubai, and allow 6,500 Nigerians to be in prison in India, and allow thousands of Nigerians to die in Mediterranean Sea, and he will come and package your own family. Ibonye chapter 1, verse 13. Everywhere they don't chop you. They pray, now scam. You see that thing will go kill me tomorrow. If you injure me, go kill you. And those things are preventable. And the only people that can prevent it is government, not Jesus. The only people that will prevent it from premature death is government, man. In our congregation today, a woman gave birth to triplets at home without the help of doctor. At home. Did you go to scan? No. We don't have money. A woman gave birth to triplets at home. She's from Eza in Ebony State. Ezeaku. Thank you. My wife bought them 1 carton of milk today. She was an Assemblies of God member. Now, Reality have hit her. She ran to our congregation today. You know, men and abuse is open. 2 of the newborn babies, they are down. And they're already 6 months old, but looking like a child of 1 month, like a newborn baby. They are 6 months old, unbelievable, but they are still looking like a newborn baby. Where is that my phone? Let me show you. 6 months old, but they are looking like a baby of some weeks. Look at their pictures here. Now reality hit them. They left Abraham. They left Mary Magdalene. Because all those things are lies. Once reality hit you, or more. So you are not ashamed of yourself that your mate that have an accident and broke their leg today in UK, in Canada, in US, in Germany, they are under free medical treatment over there. And today, your own brothers and sisters are dying in orthopedic because of money to buy syringe, ordinary syringe. If you don't purchase syringe by yourself in orthopedic, nobody will attend to you. Are you not ashamed? Can't you ask yourself, what are the secrets of those people in Canada receiving free medication? Why is it that if I don't buy syringe in my own community, I cannot be treated? What are the causes? Is it Jesus or government? If Jesus is the cause over there in Canada for them to be in such situation, why can't you look for government? Black man with black brain suffer, the most suffering people on earth. Ask yourself, something is wrong. Do you believe that because of lack of building a good system, that is the reason why you are suffering? No. What you believe that your God, the Papa Chidema, is causing your downfall. We all are already down for human being until we wake up to carry ourselves up. Like the whole world are helping themselves. Practical. One year Dubai begged you for food in 1978, if I'm not mistaken. These are the kids. Can you believe that these kids are 6 months? Let me put it well. These children, can you believe that they are 6 months? So almost Nahana Chukwu de Wabona. See, this one is already dying. Together with this one. This is the only one looking little fresh. This one is already Ari Achago black. This one is something. Now they are at our child hospital now receiving medication. Look at that. Okay, my wife even videoed them. Look at this one. Oh, I did a bugum. Bidoko the anis. I did a bugum. Oh, one guy putalo. Pity well. Pity well. Can't get the was here and people don't think it. And the world are watching us. The world are watching us. See, look at them. He's the only guy that is looking fresh among them. Look at this one. Look at the other one, a baby, a 6 months old baby. See them? 6 months. So what are we saying? They were members of Assemblies of God. Assemblies of God, where they are meant to go and beg Jesus what man is supposed to do for man. Today they run to our congregation. Luckily, they were sitting beside my wife. My wife sent one of the ushers to come and talk to me. There is a triplet in the congregation and they are looking so down. I now sent for them. I brought them before the congregation. We raised close to 70,000 naira today. To 71,000 their behalf. I donated 20,000 naira. My wife donated 1 carton of milk. Others started donating money. And this is the only crime I committed against Christians. that I told them when you are in need, that the churches should bring you before them so that man will help you. Once reality hits you, you will die. I become an evil man. But when it comes, you start looking for the evil guy to assist you. That shows you don't have brain. So what happened? Now they are in the hospital receiving medical treatment. Even one of them, I admitted her to Akachuku today. Today is the first time of her coming. A young lady of 20-something years. She went down. She cried aloud to me, telling me that at her age, if man stops her on the road, she will start crying. Because her private part is not working. Because of infection. That there is a lot of pus in her private parts. A lot of growth in his private parts. That she's dying slowly for years. She started lamenting. So many places that she have gone in the name of prayer to remove ordinary infection. After telling me that there is some growth and pus coming out from his private parts, I know that this should be infection. What happened? Mr. Doctor, see treat here. EMG may happen. One takeri now when he came sniper. She's in a condition that she's supposed to have a boyfriend, but she can't accept a man because there is growth in her private parts. There is pus coming out from her private parts. That means she's condemned already as a lady. And there is no money to go to. There is one of them that came that have a very big tummy. Today as well. Now I asked him, what is the cause of this? He said he don't know. That he was told it is poison, and then I directed him to Nsoka. He has been in Nsoka for days trying to remove the poison. Your tummy keep on growing. Why can't them call it poison? Why we have pastors and reverend fathers in Nigeria who is introducing poison and how Okeke used to kill people spiritual to us, instead of teaching us reality, how things are being done in Canada, UK, and France. I told her, so you haven't visited the hospital? He said no. I said no. And the problem he'll be having is a liver problem, because if it is kidney, if I don't go since. If I don't go. And somebody in our land doesn't have money to go that night, rather he goes to a statue of Jesus Christ with pregnancy, singing, Hagamamo, Hagamamo nudo, Iyo solo nyiro yame, Hagamamo. Look at my wife, Mami Doyle. Nemunyam, open pen when notaria. Kita on Elise Gomboib. Muyam Pelesi Bompe Bonanwe. Already met up Alam Chukwamaka. One takiri below 20-something years. Dime one takiri Chukwamaka. Every Friday, can go to the Holy Cross. Every Wednesday. No Nambukana Bari. Whoopera. Hi. Oberanwa. Ibulafo. Pulafo je no na anu. Anwa na kugode gwo na go che don. Go na go che.
Aga mamu mamu.
Ya de.
Oya nudo ihe osore ekwensu ya me. Aga mamu mamu.
Kede ozo.
Adi many.
And there back Jesus and Mary. Okay, on that beer.
Jesus and Mary, brother.
Jesus and
Mary.
Come for Wednesday prayer.
Jesus and Mary.
Jesus and Mary. Lay nine a camera. Jesus and Mary. Hi. mgbe anyị mụchara Chukwuemeka kedu ihe mere mgbe ọgbụgbọ nọ nnu mewere
agbọ nọ n'ibido so I got hospital na-eme okwere adịmasị na ọbụla ọzọ ihe ụlọ ọgwụ
izizi before anyị jewe hospital anyị jewe na nke brọdọm
okay yes anyị ga na nke bụ onye na-eme ekpere ọsị anyị dọnwere anyị naba na o nwere ife ọya anyị na ọya anyị ihe na-acha green
na ya anyụ nsị green
anyị batagwa onye ihe na-acha green si na-achụ a na-achụ m from village na-achọrọ ịnazụ m nwa m nwoke so ọ na-awa ọchịkwa anyị mgbe ahụ iberivu ọ ka anyị kpọrọ nwa ahụ gaba hospital ka nwa ahụ wetara onwe ya so all this thing ha na-ekwu na Chukwu na-agwọ ya na Jizọs na-agwọ ya all is life onwe ihe mebere gị gaa hospital edikteti ihe na-eme dọkịta etriti gị were onwe gị owero Jizọs na-agwọ ya n'ete so
brọdọm na ebe ọ ka njọ na some of them self n'ịka ya eriju afọ now I wee jewe hospital wawa child treat chere Chukwuemeka dị m
yes
efere
ya bụ ala ọkụ ya rịa for weeks anyị nọ n'ụlọ ụka ekpere na ọ ga-adị ma na ya ya olive oil si na ihe na-acha green ọyụkwa n'ife na-acha green si na okwu agwụgo na ọyụgo the poison still ife nwaka na-emekwu ya ọ ka anyị gara na Child Hospital ka Chukwuemeka wetara oru ya
and ọ makwa na onye ụmụaka ya na-eme na anyụwa nsị na-acha green nyanwa bụ pastọ makwa because ndị nke a ka na-anyụ na ya na nwunye m akịta mụtara m ụmụ nwoke 5 with ofu nwanyị nwunye m ka pastọ chọrọ ka m chọọ na ọ bụrụ my wife mgbe m ji aka m chọtala onwe m na ọ bụrụ nwunye m just maka na tipa m furu and tipa bụ mgbe m nọchara ya ọfụrụ ka dị tipa pụtara nde ya Amarachi afọ ya ka ndere afa nwunye mba Amarachi nde ya Amarachi